So today is the kids it's a kids open water swim competition. The call time is 5 a.m. but my shift is until 6 a.m. so I'm actually late. I had my brother take them to the venue here in Buckingham, so let's go.
Ang importante ng organs na itong i-discuss karon are kanilang tulo. Ang brain, ang lungs, ug ang heart. Okay, so mura din ang importante. Ano? Rescue breathing, hindi man natin nandito sa exam. Okay, so compressions na. Okay, so
they just had life-saving training. Now I'm looking for a place somewhere near here where I could park, probably spend the night. I need some place to really edit my videos. By the way, to those who hasn't subscribed to my channel, please help me, please support me by at least subscribing to my channel, guys. It's you know, the ads are just a few cents, but it helps, I guess. Anyway, I'm looking for this place named Pandora Beach Resort. They allow like tents. I don't know if I could park the van there, but they do allow tents for overnight. Okay, it says in my GPS it's about 2 minutes from Buckingham, so we're gonna try to go to that place. Come pray with me, guys. Stay tuned. It says in 300 meters the destination will be on the left. Okay, turns out the place is actually closed. I asked Manong here if you can stay in this place. It's not really nice, so probably gonna stay here and then, but not for the night. Okay. This is the place. Oh, it's nice. Going to stay here for lunch. I want to set up that outdoor kitchen, but it's drizzling. I have here like a kilo of pork that I bought and along the highway. Rice is ready. Trying to heat the pan now. Hey guys, what are you doing? Huh? My kitchen is smoking hot. Okay, so man here has a parenta. He's renting out his tables for 100 pesos. So. Sleep in here, guys. Take a popcorn. Okay. way through the editing. Hopefully I can upload it tonight, but I'm gonna swim bit, enjoy tea, the black sand.